This is a tapping video for anyone who is putting on a workshop or a class and having a hard time attracting the right students and clients into your sphere to sign up. And you're dealing with some frustration around that. We're going to tap to get out of your own way. My name is Steph and I'm an EFT educator, practitioner, group leader, and author. And I love making these videos for you so that you can have access to them at any time. And also, if you'd like to download the Tap with Steph app, there's a lot more exclusive content and you can tap with me live once a week. So tap along with me, repeat after me. Feel free to use your own words at any time to make this more true for you. Okay? So even though I have this workshop or class I'm putting on, and I don't have as many signups as I need yet, I would love to clear any non-beneficial energy that's keeping the perfect students from signing up for my class. And even though I don't even know where my perfect students, clients are, I would like to become a magnet for them and create a win-win-win-win situation. And I love myself for that. Tapping through the points. Where are all my students? I have this beautiful workshop I'm offering. Yeah. It's such a good offering. But where are my people? Maybe they haven't heard about me yet. Or maybe they're busy this weekend. Or maybe they are waiting to sign up to the last minute. Yeah. I love this work that I do. I'm really called to offer it in the world. Sometimes I don't feel like I'm having as big of a reach as I would like. Where are all these students of mine? Honestly, I just want to do this work that I love. I don't want to spend all my time marketing or come off too salesy. There are some people out there who could really benefit from my offerings. So I'd like to clear any energetic debris that's keeping them and I apart. That's keeping them from finding me and signing up. Yeah. Maybe they're just really busy. All this confusion I feel. And I'd like to clear my own emotions about this. Sometimes I get a little frustrated. Hey, universe, I'm trying here. You called me to make this offering. Now, where are all the people? I'd like to clear my own confusion. I'd like to clear my own desperation energy, if I have any. Hey, do you want to sign up? I would love to relax and trust that the perfect people are going to be there. Even if I have one student or I have 50, I would love to completely get out of my own way here. I'd like to actually take myself out of the equation completely. It's not about me. It's about this beautiful work being offered. Yeah. So I'd really like to tune into those who it can help and all the other people that can be helped. I'd like to tune into this positive ripple effect that can just beam out into the universe. All I really need to do is come from my heart and share. I'm allowed to trust that it's just going to work out. Yeah. I'd like to focus on this ripple effect of goodness instead of the technical marketing details. Yeah, I'd like to really be connected to whoever this work can benefit. And I'm going to tune into this right now and use all my senses as if it's already done. I can see all the participants show up in my workshop. I can hear all my clients go, wow, this was so incredibly helpful. I can see my students get all the resources they need to sign up. I can feel myself energized to teach and share. Having a ton of fun doing it also. I can see the participants getting a ton out of this workshop. So I'd love to clear any doubt energy out of my system right now. And just have a lot more fun with this. My perfect clients, students, they're already out there. They already exist. They're probably looking for me right now. I'm probably popping into their head right now. Oh, I gotta sign up for their class. I'm clearing all energetic debris between me and them. And I love myself for wanting this healthy, mutually beneficial relationship. And so it is. Okay, releasing your hands down, taking a couple of breaths in and out. Really seeing all this possible. What would this look like if you had the perfect clients, students, your workshop classes filled, even a wait list? Imagine how that would feel to deeply trust that, see it and feel it, get excited about it. And seeing the positive ripple effect for all involved. And once you have that image, beam it out into every direction. Beam it forward into the timeline of your life, beam it backwards to the timeline of your life, and beam it out into every direction. Let the universe know, I'm really ready for this. All right, I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you have a great workshop or class just filled with the perfect, awesome freaking students for you. Okay.